Hey everyone, welcome back to Artificial Insight, your go-to for cutting through the AI hype and getting real about what's next.
Imagine this. By 2030, up to 30% of the hours we work today could be automated away thanks to AI and tools like generative models. That's not some sci-fi nightmare. It's straight from McKinsey's deep dive on the future of work. But here's the twist. AI isn't coming for all jobs. It's targeting the routine stuff, data crunching, repetitive processes, structured tasks that machines can handle faster and cheaper. So, what does that leave for us humans? A golden opportunity to double down on what makes us irreplaceable. Today, we're diving into the core human skills that AI can't touch, the ones that'll keep you thriving, not just surviving, in this era. These aren't fluffy ideas. They're backed by reports from the World Economic Forum, McKinsey, and more. Stick around. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to build skills that future-proof your career. Let's jump in. What if the key to beating AI isn't fighting it, but partnering with it? First up, critical thinking and complex judgment. AI excels at spitting out data and patterns. Think ChatGPT analyzing trends, or Claude optimizing logistics. But when things get ambiguous, unpredictable, or ethically tricky, that's where humans shine. We're the ones navigating moral dilemmas, weighing risks in real time, and adding that human-in-the-loop oversight to give decisions real meaning. Picture this. An AI suggests cutting costs by automating a team's workflow, but it misses the cultural fallout or long-term innovation hit. You, with your contextual wisdom and intuition, step in to refine it. Reports like the World Economic Forum's Future of Work 2025 highlight this as a top resilient skill, growing in importance through 2030. McKinsey echoes that. AI enhances, but human judgment guides the strategy in gray areas. Reflect for a sec. Have you ever made a call based on gut feel that data alone couldn't justify? That's your edge. To build it, practice scenario planning. Use tools like AI to simulate options, then critique them yourself. It's addictive once you start. You'll see opportunities everywhere AI falls short. Moving on to emotional and social intelligence, this is the fortress AI can't breach. Empathy, building relationships, negotiating conflicts, inspiring leadership. These require real human connection, the kind algorithms just can't simulate. In healthcare, education, or consulting, authentic empathy is gold. The World Economic Forum ranks emotional intelligence high on skills growing through 2030, and Deloitte's 2026 data shows it's key for high-performing teams, along with trust and adaptability. Think about motivating a team during a crunch. AI might generate a pep talk, but it lacks the heart to build genuine trust. Or resolving a client dispute. That's persuasion and conflict management, pure human territory. Ever had a chatbot try to empathize? It's hilariously off, like a robot saying, "I feel you," without feeling anything. To level up, seek feedback on your interpersonal skills, join diverse teams, or even role-play with AI to spot the gaps. It's not just a skill, it's what makes work meaningful. What relationships have you built that AI could never replicate? Drop it in the comments, let's discuss. Now, strategic creativity and innovation. AI can remix existing ideas, generating art or content from patterns, but true breakthroughs? That's human imagination connecting distant dots, born from lived experiences, not stats. The WEF's report puts creative thinking in the top 5 skills for 2030, and McKinsey notes AI lacks the radical innovation for new business models. Example, AI might optimize a product, but inventing something like the iPhone, that took human vision. It's addictive. Once you tap into it, ideas flow. To develop, experiment with what-if prompts on AI, then twist them into originals. Read widely, collaborate. That's your moat.
Surprisingly, manual skills in unstructured environments are safer than desk jobs. Plumbers, electricians, caregivers, these demand adaptability in unpredictable physical spaces that robotics struggles with. Costs keep robots at bay, unlike cheap digital automation. McKinsey's analysis shows many physical roles remain human-led due to situational judgment. If you're in trades, you're ahead. For others, learn hybrid skills, like using AI for planning, but hands-on for execution. Ethical stewardship. Humans oversee AI to catch biases and errors. AI still hallucinates 15 to 52% in benchmarks, producing absurdities or discriminations. We correct that, ensuring fair governance. Workday's insights rank ethical judgment as vital. Build it. Study AI ethics, audit outputs. It's crucial for trust. Finally, continuous learning, meta-learning, adapting how you learn, reflecting on processes. This keeps you ahead in flux. The WEF stresses lifelong skills. McKinsey, rethink workflows with AI. Tip, set learning goals, use AI as a tutor. In summary, the winning combo isn't resisting AI. It's blending AI literacy with these human depths: critical judgment, emotional smarts, creativity, manual adaptability, ethical oversight, and relentless learning. Shift from routine to relational and strategic work. McKinsey sees this unlocking trillions in value through human-AI partnerships. WEF predicts net job gains if we skill up. What skill will you tackle first? Comment below. Let's build a community of future-proof thinkers. Hit subscribe for more insights.
Thanks for watching. Remember, in the AI era, your humanity is your superpower.